Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back with another video. I'm excited to show this one off because I love how it turned out. I've been watching paper crafting videos whenever I have that extra minute. This soft journal was inspired by the Paper Outpost. I'll include her tutorial link in my description. I completely changed it so it is nothing like hers except for the way the journal folds, but I did want to acknowledge where the inspiration came from. I do want to take a minute to ask, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's free and I promise that I am efficient in what I have to share. I don't have time to waste, so I know our time is precious. This is the first of videos that I have made since 4 months back. I'm a school teacher and it is hard to find time to make these videos. I love making them because we all need so much inspiration. That's why I enjoy watching others craft. I always find something that I want to try, or it reminds me of something I used to do. Okay, back to my creation. To begin with, I used a napkin, some book print, an outdated calendar, and lots of Mod Podge. I sewed all around the edges and bound the spine with some twine. I cut 2 large tags out of the same book pages using a Sizzix die. On one side, I Mod Podged the napkin and I stamped randomly on the opposite side. I added some scrapbook paper to hold the tags. One side is stitched from the border around the journal and the other side is just glued in place. I like how the stitching adds a nice texture to the page and also secures the whole journal together where the glue might not have gotten the edges. I created a mini pamphlet with scrap-lined paper and put decorative paper on the outside pages that are visible. I am really trying to use up all my scraps. I stamped randomly inside but still leaving space for my journaling. The title page just has random scraps from my scrap bin. On the right-hand side of the journal, I cut some outdated calendar pages down to size, stapled at the top, and glued a phrase to cover the staples. I also perforated the paper one by one before I stapled it so I could use it as a notepad and tear it off when I make my list. Notice that I gessoed the whole inside part of the journal. I guess I could have left it with the book print. It would have looked nice with it as well. I made one signature of linen paper I had in my scrap bin that I had printed years back. It's very thin, so I will have to be careful what pens I use to write with. I really like how it turned out. I wasn't sure what to add as a closure, so I just placed some Velcro to keep it closed. I ended up adding a bead to cover the brand on the napkin. As you can tell, you can see the staples from the side of the journal, but it doesn't bother me. The title of my journal is some chipboard that already had the word memories written on it. I just added some ink around the edges and used some brads to hold it in place. You are not able to see the back of the brads since the tags are behind it. I love how the book print can be seen through the napkin design. The napkin is just so pretty. I love everything about this soft covered journal. It is soft and lightweight and can be thrown easily in my bag. I have worked with napkins before on crafting projects. I have applied them to tumblers, have made notebooks, and I am now working on another one with this gorgeous giraffe. I'm not sure what I'm doing with it yet. I'm thinking it will be a notepad to place on my desk at work. So if you're thinking about using napkins for your next project, I say do it. They can always be found everywhere, and you can bet that you will find a design that you love. I'm always on the lookout for napkins. There are tons of tutorials on napkin projects. That's it. I hope that you liked my journal and got some ideas for yourself. We don't have to spend a lot of money to make ourselves a journal to write our memories down. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope to return with another video soon. Take care, be safe, and be nice. Bye.